Hey everyone! Today I'm here to talk about something that might not be on your radar but definitely should be. Water filtration for your home and office. It's one of those things we often overlook, but let me tell you, the benefits are too good to ignore. First off, let's talk about health. Clean, filtered water is essential for staying healthy. It removes harmful contaminants like chlorine, lead, and bacteria, ensuring that the water you drink and cook with is safe. Imagine the peace of mind you'll have, knowing every sip is pure and healthy. Second, the taste. Have you ever noticed that tap water can taste a bit off? That's because it often contains various minerals and chemicals. A good filtration system can remove these, giving you water that tastes crisp and refreshing. Suddenly, drinking water becomes a lot more enjoyable. Next up, let's talk about cost savings. Bottled water can be pretty expensive, especially if you're buying it frequently. Investing in a water filtration system can save you a lot of money in the long run. Plus, you'll be doing the environment a huge favor by reducing plastic waste. It's a win-win. Now, for all you coffee and tea lovers out there, filtered water can actually improve the taste of your favorite beverages. The impurities in tap water can affect the flavor of your coffee or tea, but with filtered water, you get a much richer and smoother taste. Trust me, you'll notice the difference. In addition, filtered water can extend the life of your appliances. Hard water can cause mineral buildup in your coffee maker, dishwasher, and even your washing machine. By using filtered water, you can keep these appliances running smoothly for longer, saving you money on repairs and replacements. Finally, let's not forget about skin and hair care. Chlorine and other chemicals in unfiltered water can be harsh on your skin and hair, leading to dryness and irritation. Using filtered water can help keep your skin soft and your hair shiny. Who doesn't want that? So there you have it, the top benefits of water filtration for your home and office. Healthier, tastier, cost-effective, and better for your appliances and beauty routine. It's a small change that can make a big difference.
Now remember, don't stress. Call Express for all your electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and water and fire restoration needs at 843-488-4503. Again, that's 843-488-4503. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll stay up to date with Express. We appreciate you sharing our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to watch the next Express video. Thank you for watching.